Okay, what we're demonstrating in this video is the filter labels feature in QuickBooks Label Connector. QuickBooks Label Connector is a rapid labeling tool to pull data rapidly out of QuickBooks and send it to any bartender label that you would design and configure properly. What the filter labels feature does is people occasionally have certain types of items in their QuickBooks item master that would never be items that you want to have labels applied to, and so instead of having to continuously remove them out of the software, we've set up a sort of a way to configure QuickBooks to set up an item in QuickBooks to either be for printing labels or not. Let me demonstrate quickly here what I'm talking about here in QuickBooks. Basically, here's an invoice that we used in some of our other videos. We can configure this item numbers 1726-0104 to not show up for printing labels, and I'll show you in the item list what we've done to configure that. Basically, if we open up that particular item, you can configure a custom field, and this is true of any version of QuickBooks, where if you in this case, we've designated a custom field called label as the name of the custom field, where we will look for a value of no to not use that for labeling. This is a little complicated, but very powerful. You can see here's this shows our configuration file here. That's sort of a background configuration file we use for our software. We've told our product that label will be the name of the item custom field that we would look for, and we look for an entry of the word no being placed in that custom field in the item to use that for filtering out, so that we will not be printing labels and have that appear for in-label printing. I'll show you what I mean with the way the software performs with that. So we've gone ahead and configured these two items ahead of time as being not for use in label printing. So we'll go ahead and fetch the order again just to show you how it would work from scratch. Now you can see those items are appearing here, but we can use this optional filtering button to go ahead and take these first two items off of the label printing, and then we can proceed with label printing in the normal fashion with Label Connector, and you can look at some of our other videos to see how those print jobs would look and appear. You can see here in single mode, single mode also has the filtering capability, and you can see other videos for how single mode works, but basically single mode is for printing one item at a time and specifying specific quantities if you need to do miscellaneous labeling or just a few labels here and there off of invoices. But you can see we can filter out, again, these top two items off of single mode as well. So just demonstrating the label filtering feature in AccuWare's QuickBooks Label